How to create Microsoft Teams account on a PC or laptop. So here's a quick guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all, you can also go to the web browser and simply go to the Microsoft Teams website. But here we are using the Teams app for the easier creation of account. So let's simply use the Teams app. You can download it on your device easily. Now open the Teams app and there you can see create new account option available there with the plus icon. Tap on it and you'll be navigated to create a new account. Now basically in order to create a new account you'll have to have the Microsoft account. If you do not, then tap on the create one option available there as well. But if you do, you can simply sign in with your Microsoft account. Now all you have to do is sign up with your email address. You can use your personal email like Gmail or Yahoo or your work school email if you are using Teams for business or education. Then enter your email and then click next. And all you have to do is follow the prompts to create a Microsoft account if you don't already have one. If you are using work school email, you'll likely be directed to your organization's Microsoft login page. Then tap on the next. Now you'll be navigated to enter your password. Now enter the password and tap on the next option available at the bottom right corner of the screen and make sure that your password is strong. Again, once done so, you'll be navigated to enter your first name and last name. Now all you have to do is enter the same first name and last name you wanted on a Microsoft Teams because all your Microsoft account will have the same name. Now type down your first name and last name, then tap on the next option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then you'll be navigated to enter more personal details about your location, about your birth date, and again tap on the next option available there. And once you do so, you will be asked for the verification code that has been sent to your Gmail account. Now all you have to do is type down your verification code and tap on the next option available there. And that is it. Once you have created your Microsoft account, you will be asked to set up your profile of your Teams and choose your name and photo and any additional information Teams requires. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.